Using conjunctions, or also called connectors in your writing, is really what makes writing much more interesting. Otherwise, you would have very short and choppy sentences. So there are different kinds of conjunctions. We have what we call coordinating conjunctions. These connect independent or main clauses, or just words. And subordinating. These are used with dependent clauses. Conjunctions are used to form different types of sentences. So let's talk about these first. You have a simple sentence, a compound sentence, and what's known as complex sentences. So these are the three types. And again, varying these kinds of sentences can make your writing more interesting. So a simple sentence just has the basic elements of a sentence that we talked about at the beginning. The subject and the verb and something to complete the thought. And these are independent clauses. So Sarah has a new car is a simple sentence. Compound sentence is when you connect two independent clauses. So you're connecting two simple sentences or two main full sentences joined with a coordinating conjunction. These are known as the fanboys, and this is just to help it make it easier for you to remember. So the F stands for, the A for and, the N for nor, the B for but, the O for or, the Y for yet, and the S for so. So an example, she got a new car and Sam got a new computer. So these are connecting two simple sentences. She got a new car, and another simple sentence, Sam got a new computer, and connecting them together with and. A complex sentence is when you connect an independent clause and a dependent clause. And these you would be connecting with a subordinating conjunction, and we'll look at these in more detail later. But in the meantime, words such as after, although, because, since, before, until, when, while, unless, even though, and if are some examples of words that introduce a dependent clause. So for example, because she was tired, this is your dependent clause. She went to bed early. So she went to bed early is a simple sentence. Because she was tired is a clause, and it cannot stand alone. You must have a simple sentence connected to it, and that creates a complex sentence. So let's look at the coordinating conjunctions. As I said earlier, the fanboys is just a way to remember what they are. So here's the list: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So these will connect two independent or main clauses together. And when you do this, you have what's called a compound sentence. When you connect these two, you need to use a comma before the conjunction. So you have John went shopping, and then you need comma, and Maria went to the gym. She will pay bills tonight, comma, or she will do it tomorrow. Marta is from Brazil, comma, and Juan is from Mexico. So here's some more examples. Again, we had these in the previous slide. Marta is from Brazil, comma, and Juan is from Mexico. He likes strawberries, comma, but he doesn't like apples. He doesn't like strawberries, comma, yet he eats strawberry ice cream. Don't break a mirror, comma, or you will have bad luck. Or he needed more milk, comma, so he went to the store. So these are all the fanboys and how they connect two independent clauses. You can also connect words, and in this case these are called simple sentences also, and you don't use a comma. So this is when you use one of the fanboys to connect either two nouns or two items or two adjectives, things like that. So for example, you have, and if the subject is the same, so you have both men and women can participate in this sport, so you don't need a comma. Or she will watch TV or work on her computer. It's the same subject. She is the subject, so there's no need to put a comma. She is hungry and tired. Again, same subject. She is hungry but has no time to eat. Again, same subject. The subject is she. Something to also remember when we're connecting things is when you have elements such as two verbs, they need to match. So for example, and that's when they're called parallel structure. So if you say she likes and you want to say hiking, then everything that follows needs to all have ing. Hiking, swimming, and jogging. You cannot mix them. Or she likes to hike, to swim, and to jog. They must use the same form. Or if you're using simple verbs, she said that he should drink a lot of fluids and get a lot of rest. So as I said, you cannot mix. So you can't say she likes hiking and to swim. This would be incorrect. or he should drink fluids and to rest. Also not parallel.